Welcome to Universal Reads! Let's sing and learn the ABCD rhyme! A for ant. A for airplane. A. B for block. B for butterfly. B. C for cow. C for car. C. D for drum. D for duck. D. E for eagle. E for easel. E. F for frisbee. F for frog. F.
G for goat. G for gamepad. G.
H for hula hoop. H for horse. H. I for iguana. I for ice cream. I. J for jump rope. J for jellyfish. J.
K for koala. K for kite.
K. L for Lego. L for lamb. L. M for mouse. M for marble. N. M for net. N for nightingale. N. O for octopus. O for oven. O. P for puzzle. P for penguin. P. Q for quilt. Q for quail. Q. R for robot. R for rooster. R. S for snake. S for slide. S. T for train. T for turtle. U for urchin. U for unicorn. U. V for vulture. V for video game. V. W for wagon. W for whale. W. X for xenops. X for xylophone. X. Y for yo-yo. Y for yak. Y. Z for zip line. Z for zebra. Z. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning on Universal Reads.